following screencast will highlight the enhanced communication system within the FlashPoint platform. The Enhanced Communication System, or ECS, is designed to provide staff users with the ability to bulk email, robocall, or text message individual people or specific contacts from within the FlashPoint platform. The process itself is relatively easy. Anywhere where you have people and or companies, you can send these communications to these individuals. Let's look at a couple of simple examples. I can go into the Contacts menu here, choose the option for people, filter down on people. Let's just say hypothetically I want to find everyone in DRG Mechanical. I'm going to do that by filtering the data here. If this is the group of individuals that I'd like to communicate with, once I have this group in focus based on my filter, just click the communication icon here. I'm going to choose the option for all records. You'll notice that all 9 contacts from the previous screen are passed in, and the system is defaulted to send an email out. If your intention is to send an email, simply go down here, provide a subject or a title that's required. You can provide attachments if you like. You can even attach one of the existing reports. This is optional. And then finally, you can indicate the content of your email with a message down here. So your message to the recipients goes here. You'll also notice that there are various set of controls in this HTML editor. You can actually see HTML. You can insert images. You can insert hyperlinks into the system. You can even insert tables. And then do some degree of formatting as indicated by the icons that sit up here on the top row. Once you're satisfied with your message, I'm going to put a subject here. Once you're satisfied with your message and the actual recipients, you can go ahead and go down to the bottom, hit finalize, and send mailing. Say OK. That mailing then becomes an object under mailings. You will get results back from Amazon Simple Email here, eventually talking about the success and deliverability for the 9 emails in this particular case that we emailed out. And in any case, that's again a simple illustration of how to manage or to utilize the ECS. Here's another way. You can also choose company objects. I will choose a few select ones. So notice instead of filtering the individuals, I'm choosing specific companies. I'm going to hit the communication icon and I'm just going to say selected records here. So it's just getting the 4 records for communication. Notice it's got 4 contacts. One of the things that's different about this particular email that I'm going to send is I'm going to define specific content or contacts within the organization. I can do that by choosing this option here. I can choose the primary contact or education contact. I can also choose one of these other select types of contacts. I'll get the accounting and the principal at the organization. You'll notice here, your message goes here. Again, you can make attachments and your subject goes here. And when you're ready to send it out, simply hit the finalize and send mailing down here. So in these last 2 examples, we have both selected people and companies. Here are a couple of additional ideas in terms of communicating with groups of people within the system. You can click on the members. Once on the members, you can email and or text message the entire grid of people. I haven't shown it yet, but to text message, it's pretty simple. Once you've got your list of people, you hit the communication icon here. I'm going to choose all records. Here on the method of communication, just drop it down and choose SMS. This is going to allow you to text message the individuals here. You'll notice that you've got a space for your text message here. It's a little bit different. You can't include HTML formatting, but you can get out a basic message. I'm going to place the subject of my text message here and my actual message goes here. Once you're ready, you can hit finalize and send. mailing out, and that text message will be delivered to those selected individuals. A couple of other examples. You can also do it on a per class basis. If you think about it, each class has a list of individuals that are recipients or students within that class. As I navigate to the classes here, you'll notice this particular class has 5 individuals. If I wanted to, for example, notify students that class is closed due to weather tomorrow, this particular class, I can navigate to the class profile as we are now, click on the communication icon here, simply say all records. If I want, I can choose the email. Here's an additional option, SMS and email backup. It would actually send out both. Your text message goes here. Goes here. Text subject. And then email body here. In this case, in this particular illustration, I'm actually doubling up on the communication. This is going to send both a text and an email to every one of the recipients who's got a text message, or a cell phone rather, and an email associated to their record. I hit finalize and send, and then OK, and off that message goes. So these are some of the different ways to communicate from within the system using our built-in ECS. The functionality associated with the email itself is performed by Amazon Simple Email. That's not a function that DRG servers or server clusters perform. We give that task to Amazon Simple Email, and then we use Twilio to do the text messaging. The nice part about it is very integrated. We've got a very tight API that is at work, and so the integration is a clean integration with respect to using the FlashPoint platform.